In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy multiple tasks in Asana. This is a really handy trick if you find yourself creating the same kinds of tasks over and over, or if you want to quickly duplicate a group of tasks to reuse in another part of your project. First, make sure you're in the correct project in Asana and that you're viewing your tasks in the list view. The list view makes it much easier to see everything in a column and select multiple items at once. If you're not already there, switch your project to list view so that all your tasks appear in a vertical list. Next, you'll want to highlight all the tasks you want to copy. To do this, click on the first task in the list that you want to duplicate. Then, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the last task in the range you want to copy. Everything between those two tasks will be highlighted. You should see that all of those tasks are now selected together. If you only need a few tasks that aren't next to each other, you can hold down the Control key on Windows or Command on a Mac and click each task one by one to add it to your selection. Take a quick moment to double check that you've selected all the right tasks. Once you're happy with your selection, you're ready to copy them. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and C together if you're on Windows or Command and C if you're on a Mac. This copies all the selected tasks to your clipboard, just like copying text in a document. Now, decide where you want these copied tasks to go. You can paste them in the same project, maybe in a different section, or even in another project where you want to reuse the same structure. Click into the area of the task list where you want the new task to appear. Usually, this just means clicking on an existing task near where you want the copies to show up, or clicking into an empty space in the list. Once you've placed your cursor, press Ctrl and V on Windows, or Command and V on a Mac. Asana will create new copies of all the tasks you selected earlier. You'll see them appear in the list, and from there, you can rename them, adjust due dates, assign them to the right people, or move them into different sections as needed. And that's it. By highlighting your tasks, copying with a simple keyboard shortcut, and pasting them where you need, you can quickly duplicate multiple tasks in Asana and save yourself a lot of setup time.